Thank you, Mr. Priest. For my commissioner comments today, I just simply want to share about a letter that came across my desk. While reviewing documents in response to an unrelated litigation request, our team came across a letter submitted in 2012 by the accounting firm then known as Brown, Schultz, Sheridan, and Fritz. The letter, which was stamped as received by the solicitor's office in October of that year, raises serious allegations of potential illegal activity. Until now, this letter was never disclosed publicly. I do not know who, if anyone, was made aware of it at the time, or whether any investigation was ever initiated. The discovery adds further concern to an already troubling pattern of unethical behavior and a lack of transparency from past leadership. It reinforces why I have made it a priority to shine a light on past practices and work to rebuild public trust in our county government. At the recommendation of our solicitor, the letter has been referred to the appropriate law enforcement agencies for review. With that context, I'm going to read the letter in full for the public. The letter is dated October 19th, 2012. It says it's delivered via certified mail, return receipt requested. Those it says it is addressed to is Jeff Haste, Mike Priest, George Harwick III. Gentlemen, our Camp Hill CPA firm serves many local municipal clients throughout central Pennsylvania, including 4 municipalities in Dauphin County. Recently, one of those Dauphin County clients informed us of some disturbing activity being conducted by Michael Musser and an accounting firm he represents, Zelenkofske Axelrod LLC. We have been advised that Mr. Musser approached the township manager and informed him that if his township wished to continue receiving Dauphin County gaming grants, the township would need to terminate our firm and engage Zelenkofske Axelrod as their auditors. We have been informed Mr. Musser is contracted by Zelenkofske Axelrod to develop business for them and receives a fee for doing so. This would suggest Mr. Musser is using his position of influence granted to him by the commissioners to pursue personal gains using county funds as leverage to assist his client, Zelenkofske Axelrod, to acquire new business. We realize that the accounting profession can be quite competitive, but these activities raise questions regarding ethical behavior and compliance with professional standards. We appreciate that Mr. Musser may have been great assistance to you with your own political campaigns and may be a personal friend as well. We understand he has been appointed to the Dauphin County Gaming Advisory Committee, which decides where the county's share of gaming monies will be distributed. We suspect this similar activity by Mr. Musser has impacted our relationship with at least one other Dauphin County client. We believe our reputation and livelihood are being unfairly damaged by Mr. Musser's actions. We respectfully request that the county commissioners act immediately to investigate these allegations and put a halt to them if true. Based upon the advice of our own professional advisors, we have determined that we have a professional responsibility to notify our Dauphin County clients that participating in the activities described above may be illegal, and that the American Institute of Certified Public Accountants ethics rules may be being violated. We trust that you were unaware of these activities and will take the appropriate actions to stop them. Respectfully, and then signed, Brown, Schultz, Sheridan, and Fritz. This letter speaks for itself, and it's deeply troubling. As a commissioner, I believe the people of Dauphin County have a right to know what has been hidden, ignored, or swept aside. Transparency is not optional. It is the foundation of good government. I will continue working to expose wrongdoing, demand accountability, and ensure that this government operates with integrity for our residents, the integrity they deserve. We cannot change the past, but we can confront it and make sure it never happens again. I continue to urge anyone with relevant information about these or other concerning activities to reach out to the county or law enforcement. And that concludes my commissioner comments.
And my response to that is these allegations contained in the letter from 13 years ago are of such a nature that our chief clerk's office deemed it necessary to provide this letter to the District Attorney Charter's office, which Commissioner Douglas and I both agreed was the appropriate action to take. I do not recall any internal or external investigations ever having been conducted, nor do I recall a date when I was ever provided this particular letter by staff. I want to stress that at this time, these are allegations only. Let me repeat, they are allegations only. The letter was placed in the possession of the District Attorney's office. I will not have any further comment that could impact any potential ongoing investigation. Thank you.
Thank you, Commissioner Priest. We'll now move on to public participation.